it's me, Shauna, and I know I have a blank screen today because I'm going to be interviewing the super dogs that me and my cousin made up. They're like superheroes but super dogs, so let's get into this skit. Oh, hi Megan, can I interview Rosie?
Yes, she's right here, and I'm afraid there's only 2 dogs here right now. Only Morgan and Rosie's here. Only going to have to do 2 questions for each one.
Okay, let's go. Oh, hi Rosie.
Wait, hi.
How are you?
I am F.
Okay. So your first question today is, who do you have a crush on and why?
Well, I have a crush on Manny Beanstalk.
Okay, and why?
Because he's really cute and cool.
Okay, your second question is, what hobbies do you like doing on a date? Maybe baking cakes, playing tennis, doing football, making cupcakes, I don't know.
Well, my favorite hobby is cooking cookies.
Ooh, that sounds awesome.
Yeah.
So now we have to move on to the next one.
Can I tell you a secret and you at home?
Yeah, tell us. We're dying to know.
Well, I can actually work in a cookie factory.
Really?
I actually work in one.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all we had time for. Bye, Rainbow. On to Morgan.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, Morgan. Your question is, what's your favourite food?
My favorite food is doggy cupcakes.
Yeah. And then, your second question is, what hobbies do you like doing?
I like doing football. I'm actually in the football match. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.